Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Abena and you are live with me on Abena Cooks. If you're a new subscriber, you're warmly welcome to my beautiful family. If you're an OG, you already know how I feel about you. I love you for your support, for always being there for me, for sharing, for commenting, for liking, and for telling a friend to tell another friend it's cooking. Well, today we are making corned beef stew. I'm not the best at it. I know someone who is literally the best. She makes the best. Okay, so far I have a minute. As you can see, I got my beautiful butterfly locks from Styled by Spendy on Instagram. Guys, please check her out. If you're in Kumasi, even if you're in Accra, just know you can book hair. I have loved this. This is actually 1 month old. Yes, it's exactly 1 month old, and you can see it still looks good. I still need to get a bit, yeah, you understand. My ladies understand. You guys, you don't understand, I'm sorry. But then all the same, corned beef stew, as I was saying, that's someone who makes the best so far, the best I have tasted. She's in the person of Inshira Eje Amakoko, and she knows very soon I'll be hosting her, whether you like it or not. I am coming to your house. I am bringing Abena Cooks to your doorstep, like it or not. Thank you so much for heeding to my invitation in advance. Thank you. So a few of you have been trying to reach me on the various social media platforms, so I'm currently working on a flyer which has all my handles. If you know you can do it, just let me know in the comment section, so like we link up and then we'll take it from there. And also I'll just put the names there, so here, so you can check it out. Okay, so it's Abena GH on Instagram, Abena GH, that is, it's right there. And on Snapchat it's Abena without a GH, and on Twitter too is the same, Abena I'm sorry. Anyway, let's get straight to the kitchen. Bye guys. Okay, we have our chopped onions. They are not making so much, so we have our chopped onions. We have my regular pepper blend, KPAKPOSHITO. I sprinkled my nutmeg on the surface, just trying something new, plus my rosemary and a large size onion, and I have my fresh tomatoes that is blended, and I'll cook it on the side. EXETER corned beef, that is my secret corned beef ingredient to my corned beef stew. And I have Gino medium-sized tomato puree. I'll add my oil, cook it up, fry my onions, then I'm going to fry my pepper as well. I'll leave it to dry out, and the next thing I'll do is I'm going to add my tomato paste to my cooked fresh tomato blend, and then I'll add it. That way everything goes fast, there's no so much moisture, so everything is simple. Life is simple. Then I add my corned beef and then I stir it up. After adding the corned beef, you don't need to cook for so long. Yes, so today I'm not adding salt. The one thing I'm going to add will be the ONGA stew. Yes, and then my curry powder to make everything so simple and nice. Yes, also my little boss, my nephew, wanted to have a share in my cooking, so because it was raining, we had to come inside. And yes, I have kittens in my house, I have cats in my house, so they had to all gather around just so they wouldn't have to be in the rain. Yes, so my little boss has helped cook. Abena Cooks, let's cook. So I added my stew to the vegetable beef sauce, and yes, that is my meal. Voila. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you sometime next week. Bye guys.